Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chocolate bark. The first kind of chocolate bark I'm making is peppermint bark. You'll need 300 grams of milk chocolate, 300 grams of white chocolate, half a teaspoon of peppermint essence and 4 candy canes. Start by crushing your candy canes. Now melt the milk chocolate. You can do this by using the double boiler setup like I am, or by melting it in the microwave at 20-second bursts. Once the chocolate is melted, add the peppermint essence and stir it through. Line a tray and pour the melted chocolate into the tray. Smooth the chocolate and put it in the fridge for an hour to set. Melt the white chocolate and layer it on top of the milk chocolate. Here is a lesson that I have learned. Try and cut and stick the baking paper to the tray to make sure the chocolate lays flat. Mine is curled up a little bit, which is a little bit of a problem because I'm not going to be able to get a nice consistent layer. Sprinkle the crushed candy canes over the top of the white chocolate and place back into the fridge for an hour to set. After the chocolate is set, you can either cut the bark with a sharp knife or drop it and let it crack. I won't make you watch the chocolate melt for the next 2 chocolate barks. The next version of chocolate bark you'll need is 300 grams of caramelized white chocolate, a quarter cup of crushed peanuts, and 100 grams of dark chocolate. Melt both the chocolates and spread the caramelized white chocolate so it's an even layer on the tray. Use the dark chocolate to decorate the caramelized white chocolate and then sprinkle over the peanuts. With this one I did cut it into squares just for a different effect. The last bark is very easy. You'll need 300 grams of milk chocolate and a third of a cup of mini marshmallows. Melt the chocolate and spread it so it's a nice even layer. Sprinkle over the mini marshmallows and place in the fridge for an hour to set. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a like or please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.